Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manta. I will present about IT project. Let's start. Brief history of Figma. Figma was founded in 2012 by Phil and Evan Wells, and it started gaining popularity around 2016. What makes Figma different from other design software is that it was built as a cloud-built tool from the beginning. It was designed for online collaboration, not converted together from offline software. Because of this innovation, Figma grew rapidly and is now used by many startups and tech companies worldwide. The next is how Figma works. Figma works directly in your browser or desktop app, but all files are stored online. Some advantages of the system include first, automatic saving or autosave, and then no need to send revision file back and forth. Then real-time collaboration. Last, team members can see change instantly. This makes the work much more efficient and reduce miscommunication. Next, there is main function of Figma. First, there is UI design. UI design, Figma is used to design visual interface such as there is landing page and then dashboard and mobile application, and last, company profile website. Itu there is framing. Framing, designing the basic structure of a layout before adding detailed visuals. Okay, next. Prototyping. Prototyping, creating interactive simulation such as clicking button, page transition, and last, simple animation. Next, 4. Design system. Design system, creating visible components like there is button, and then card, navigation bar, and last, typography style. This helps maintain consistency in large project. Next is important feature in Figma. Here are some important features. Frame, and this as the artboard or screen container is component. Then visible design element that save time and maintaining consistency is auto layout. Help create responsive and organized layout automatically. Automatically. Is variant. Combine multiple versions of a component such as normal, hover, and disable states is prototype mode. Used to connect page and create interactive flows. And next, there is advantage and disadvantage. Maybe the good one UI UX is first, Figma helps us understand layout and solve hierarchy. Okay. Next, it trains design consistency, and then IT helps build a professional portfolio. And last, it is highly demanded in the digital industry. Many technology companies use Figma as their main design tool. Next, example workflow in Figma. Here is a simple example of using Figma. First, create a wireframe for a login page. 2. add color and typography. 3. Create button component. 4. Connect the login page to a dashboard using prototype mode. And last, test the interaction. Through this process, we learn to think systematically and focus on user experience. And next, plugin in Figma or new section. Another powerful feature of Figma is its plugin system. Plugin are additional tools that help designers work faster and more efficiently. Some common examples include plugin for first, generating placeholder image. 2. Creating icons. 3. Managing color palettes. And last, generating random user data. With plugins, designer can simplify many repetitive tasks. Why Figma is important for DKV or UI UX student? For student who study design or UI UX, learning Figma is very important. Figma helps students first understand layout and visual hierarchy. 2. Practice interface design. 3. Build a professional portfolio. 4. And last, 4. Prepare for career in the digital design industry. Many companies today expect designers to have experience using Figma. Example workflow in Figma. A simple design workflow using Figma might look like this. First, create a wireframe for the layout. 2. Add colors, then image and typography. 3. Create reusable components like buttons. 4. Connect page using prototype mode. And last, 5. Test the user interaction. This process helps designers focus on creating better user experiences. In conclusion, Figma is a powerful and modern design tool that helps designers create user interface, prototypes, and design systems efficiently. With its collaborative features and flexible design tools, Figma has become an essential platform in the UI UX industry. For students who want to work in digital design, mastering Figma will be a very valuable skill for the future. Okay, thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.